Hey guys, welcome back, and hope everyone had a great holiday season. Now, as y'all can see, I finished the 2021 Internet Marketing Guide, the ultimate guide for plumbers, and I love giving back value, right? I love giving back. So if you guys want, I am going to be sending this out for free. You can have it for free, right? I spent 4 full days working on this. It is packed with everything you need to know on how to do search marketing and paid advertising, both on Google and Facebook. The best tools to use, what we use for our clients, and how you can double your leads in sales in 90 days. Only if you apply actual work, right? You need to take massive action for that to happen, especially if you're making over $1 million a year and you're in the 1 to 5 or 5 to 10, $1 million a year. It's going to take a little bit more time, right? If you want to double your business. But if you're a smaller company under $1 million, you can definitely double your lead gen if you apply massive action. Now, guys, SEO going into 2021 is going to be really important. Everyone's spending time on internet more than ever before. So just to get an idea, look, I have this example already set up here, Dallas Plumbing. Now, I'm only using this because I'm local to the Dallas market. Look at this, guys. 21,000 people are searching for plumbers every single month in Dallas, right? That's all the keywords, right? There's 114 related keywords. There's 1.3 thousand keyword variations just for Dallas Plumbing. And I mean, this goes on and on and on, right? Let me see. Let's go back. You know what? I'm just going to stay on this screen. Here, Dallas Plumbers, all the different keyword variations, plumbing in Dallas, Texas, 1,600, Dallas Plumbing Company, 480, plumbing supply in Dallas, 390, emergency plumber in Dallas, 210, plumbing supply in Dallas, Texas, 210. A lot of plumbers looking for supply, a lot of people, plumbing contractors in Dallas, 90. If you are a plumber and you want more leads and you want more sales, as long as you have the process set up, you can make it happen. Without a doubt, you can make it happen. Look, let's just go for the actual keyword for plumbing. Every single month, 368,000, 83% keyword difficulty. You might be thinking, oh, crap, that's a little bit harder to rank for, right? So you want to go local. You want to do local targeting, whether that's through your ads or through your SEO. The cost per click for more generic keywords is also a little bit cheaper. But if you want to do specific, keyword targeting for your ads, it's going to be $20, $30, $40 a click, right? So SEO is pretty important. You don't want to just rely on advertising. If you don't do the right thing, you can spend a lot of money, right? So you need to be smart. Let's look at this. All the keyword variations, 668 something thousand people, keyword variations for all the keywords in plumbing. That's a lot. So I actually downloaded this list. I have this list. I think I have the top 10 or 30,000 keywords. I can give you that list for free. All you got to do is ask for it. And I can give you the plumbing guide for free. All you have to do is ask for it, right? And I will give it to you free of charge. And on top of that, if you like, I want to sit down with you on a strategy call, right? A one-on-one strategy call. And I will film a video and send it to you going over your exact audit, your marketing efforts. What are you doing that can be improved? And that's going to go over your local SEO, your marketing. If you're using any ads, I'll cover that briefly, and what you can do going forward and what kind of keywords you need to target to start getting more leads into your business. And this is a process, right? It's not something that's going to go like that, right? It can take 3 months. It can take longer depending on how much effort you put into it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I want to just do it real quick and brief. Guys. Yeah, look at this. Plumbing in San Diego. I saw some around here. Plumber San Diego, 3,600 reviews. Wow, there's a lot of people searching for plumbers in San Diego. So beautiful city. If you guys want more help, if you want to grow your business going into this new year, I'm your guy for it. My team can be the guy for it for you. I'm actually opening a new program. It's called the Plumbers Marketing Program, and it's a complete business, a complete exact process, automation, email, text, voicemail campaigns, landing page funnels. Your website is redesigned, optimized. You can track your analytics for Google and Facebook. You're not going to get anything better than this. It's the complete package. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you need any help, let me know.